To factory reset your Garmin Venu, you will want to press and hold the lower button and reach down the setting gear, and again swipe down to System, and again swipe down to Reset. From here you will have two options: Reset Default Settings or Delete Data and Reset Settings. If you are up to this point, I would personally go to Delete Data and Reset Settings. You will want to do this type of things before you sell the watch to someone else, so that next owner doesn't have access to all of your information, or just maybe if your watch do some weird stuff since some time, you may want to try to factory reset it. It will, like it says, this restore default settings and clear all data. So yes, your watch will restart like a brand new watch and will be empty. So the only things you have left to do is to swipe up, and this will take about a minute, and your watch will restart like a brand new one. You will see it like the first time you take it out of the box. And there we are. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.